How to fix not responding app in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, what you can simply do is launch the settings application on your device and check for any updates available for your device. So tap on about phone and check for any sort of updates available for your device. So here it says no updates available, which means we have updated version of the device over here. So we're going to go back and tap on storage and check if you have any storage issues over here. When you have low storage, the issue of not responding also arrives. So just check the storage. After checking on the storage and giving some space, what you can simply do is tap on the Play Store application over here. Now, for example, if Instagram is what is not responding in my device, I'm going to search for Instagram, and then what you can simply do is you can just relaunch the application by tapping on the application over here, and you can just uninstall it and reinstall it back again, and this might help you fix your issue of not responding app in Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.